Welcome to Cheen's Art Channel. Subscribe and join the colorful with me. Hi everyone, I'm Cheen. Welcome back to the channel. This is part number 5 of my special series, DIY Christmas Decor, 9 Simple Holiday Canvas Ideas. Today, we're painting a quick sparkly Christmas tree on a mini canvas. This design is really magical and fast to complete, and it's a wonderful way to capture that festive holiday glow. We'll be focusing on building the tree shape with quick strokes and then adding bright yellow lights and a star to make it truly shine. Grab your paints and your mini canvas. All set? Let's start painting. That's it. Our sparkly Christmas tree painting is complete. I love how the dark background makes the green and the golden sparkles really stand out. It feels very cozy and festive. Don't forget to let your finished painting dry completely before handling or hanging it up. Remember, acrylics are all about practice, so just enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out the full playlist for the other 8 simple holiday canvas ideas. Next up, we are painting a cute and simple Santa Claus face. You can find the link to the playlist and the next video right in the description box below. Thank you so much for painting with me today. I hope you have a wonderful, creative day. I'll see you in the next video.